Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader. Little angel reader. English with little angel reader. Level 1, lesson 43. Ilona is our friend. She is also my student. Does Ilona have long or short hair? Does Ilona have long or short hair? She has long hair. Her hair is long. She has long hair. Her hair is long. Look at Masha's long hair. Look at Masha's long hair. Max has short hair. Ilona's hair is long. Max's hair is short. Ilona's hair is long. Max's hair is short. Max's hair is long here. Max's hair is long here. He needs a haircut. He needs a haircut. This is Angie. Her hair is long. This is Angie. Her hair is long and beautiful. This is me. My hair is long too. Whose hair is short? Whose hair is short? Max's hair is short. Max's hair is short. Okay, Max, what do you have? Opposites.
Long, short. Her hair is long. His hair is short.
Okay, her hair is long and his hair is short. Ilona and Max are playing a game. Ilona and Max are playing a game.
Is there anything in crab green?
In crab green?
Yes.
Ilona, is there anything in crab green? Yes. Hit. Okay, keep asking. Crab red. Ilona, is there anything in crab red?
Yes.
Yes. Hit. Задел. Hit. Okay.
Yes.
Put the red circle in red crab, yeah? Okay, keep asking.
Is there anything in crab blue?
Crab blue, Ilona.
Yes.
Yes. Hit and sank. Hit and sank. Задел и потопил. Max, okay, it's a long boat. Can you find a long boat? Yes, this one. Ilona, is this the boat? Say, I knew it. Speak English. I knew it. Okay, a long boat. Ilona, your turn. Is there anything? Choose. Okay, ask again. Is there anything in whale green?
No.
No? Water? Okay, Ilona, put the blue circle. Water. Okay, Max, your turn. Is there anything?
Is there anything in
Where?
shell green?
Seashell green. Tanya is our friend too. Tanya is our friend too. She is also my student. S. Shells. Seashells. There are shells in the box. Tanyush, we have to find shells. Big shells. There are many shells in the box. Tanyush, and what color is the box? Pink. Is it orange? No, it's not. Is it green? No, it's not. It's pink. There are shells in the box. Are there shells in the box? Yes, there are. There are many shells in the box. Okay, let's put the shells. You like this one? Is this a shell? No, it's not a shell. Can you put the shells back in the box? Look, the box is empty now. Is it empty now? Oh, not yet. Empty. Remember the word empty? Пустая. Is it empty? No. Now it's empty. Now the box is empty. Okay, there are many shells. Who is this boy resting in the pool? What's his name? Do you know him? His name is Max. He loves to swim in the swimming pool. Max, what are you doing? Are you resting?
Yeah.
Max is resting. Okay. Apples to Apples is a word game. Play with us. We play with words. We play with words. Said rain. Okay, Max, your word. What can be said?
Sad.
What can you choose?
Sad.
Sad. Sad. Oh, sad and happy. Sad watching cartoons, and I choose, I don't know, sad moon. Can the moon be sad? Okay. Sad rain. It's raining. The apple is wet. It's raining here. It's raining there. It's raining, raining everywhere. I'm wet. I'm wet. I'm very, very wet. It's raining here. It's raining there. It's raining everywhere.
Opposites.
Opposites.
Happy. Sad.
Happy, sad.
This boy's happy. This boy's sad.
Max, are you happy or sad? I'm happy. I'm happy too. Max is happy and I'm happy. He's sad. He's not happy. Look, it's not raining here. Do you see the bird in the sky? This bird is very beautiful. This bird is very beautiful. What is the weather like here? It's sunny and warm. It's sunny and warm. Max is wearing a green cap. Max is wearing a green cap. Max is holding his phone. Max is holding his phone. He's not wearing a cap here. I'm holding a phone. I am holding a phone. I love to wear dresses. And you? There are 4 in the bed. There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. Do you know this song? Max is holding a ball. Max is holding a ball. He's wearing an orange t-shirt. He's wearing an orange t-shirt. He's smiling. He's smiling. How many tulips do you see? I see 2 tulips. What color are they? They are red. Aren't they beautiful? Yes, they are. They are very beautiful. Let's look inside. Ooh. Beautiful flowers. There are 2 tulips. I love tulips. Do you? Tulips can be different colors. These tulips are yellow and purple. These tulips are yellow and purple. Max is looking at a beautiful red tulip. Max is looking at a beautiful red tulip. Max is smelling a beautiful red tulip. Max is smelling a beautiful red tulip. The girl is smelling some flowers. The girl is smelling some flowers. She's wearing glasses. She's wearing glasses. The woman is smelling a flower with her nose. The woman is smelling a flower with her nose. Is this a tulip? No, it is a rose. Masha is standing behind the red roses. Masha is standing behind the red roses. Do you like her yellow dress with kittens? Meow, meow. Look at the woman's red lips. We can't see her eyes, but we can see her lips and her nose. Red lips and a red strawberry. Red lips and a red strawberry. Green lips and a green kiwi. Green lips and a green kiwi. Yellow lips and a yellow lemon. Red lips and a red cherry. Red lips and a red cherry. She has 2 cherries in her mouth. She has 2 cherries in her mouth. The fish's lips are red. The fish's lips are red. Is it a man or a woman? What is he doing? Do you like his moves? Look, the woman is dancing. She is dancing slowly. Look, Masha is picking berries. Look, Masha is picking berries. She is standing on a ladder. She is standing on a ladder. There are yummy berries in Masha's hand. There are yummy berries in Masha's hand. They are mulberries. They are mulberries. Masha lives in England. She is Max's cousin. She loves mulberries. This is Julian. He is Max's cousin too. Julian lives in Canada. Julian is hungry. He is eating his cake without a fork. Max is eating black ice cream and we're going to the swimming pool. Max, look, who's there? Who is walking there? You coming? Let's go. Max, do you like this black ice cream? Does it really taste good? Max, I ask you a question.
Yeah.
Does it taste good? Was it yeah? What did he say? Okay, let's go. I'm so tired from work. I want to swim. Max, what are you doing? Are you drawing something? Max, what are you doing?
I'm tracing and drawing.
You're tracing and drawing. Oh my, it's so interesting. But it's nighttime. It's time to go to bed. And now you're busy. And you have to brush your teeth, right? Max, I can see Spot. Wow, you drew Spot. You traced him. Max likes stories about Spot. Don't miss our new video lessons. Thank you for learning English with me today. You are so smart. And if you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Thank you. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.